Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
If you're looking to give your Squarespace 7.0 website a polished professional introduction, learning how to set up a stunning cover page is a quick win. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create and customize your own cover page that grabs your visitors' attention, whether you're building a personal portfolio, a business homepage, or anything in between. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open Squarespace. If you're already logged in, perfect. If not, just take a moment to sign in with your account details. This is your starting gate to building a beautiful site. Think of Squarespace like your virtual workbench where all your creative tools live. Once you're in, click on your website from the dashboard. This tells Squarespace which site you want to make changes to, especially if you manage multiple projects. If you only have one website, it'll just be a single click to get started. Next, look for Pages in the left-hand navigation panel. This is where all of your site's pages are organized, like the chapters in a book. Selecting Pages not only helps you see your site's structure, but also makes it easy to add, rearrange, or edit different sections. Now, you'll see a small plus sign, usually at the bottom or top of the Pages list. Click that plus sign to add a new page. It might seem like a tiny button, but it's how you launch brand new sections on your website. When prompted, choose Blank Page. This is important because starting with a blank canvas lets you fully customize your cover page without any preset layout restrictions. Think of it as starting with a fresh sheet of paper for your site's introduction. Let's rename this new page Cover Page. To do this, simply double-click the page name in the sidebar and type in Cover Page instead. Why rename it? Giving your page a clear label helps you and anyone else editing your site quickly know what its purpose is. No confusion down the line. Now, give your site a quick refresh. This helps ensure that any changes you've made are registered by Squarespace and that your new cover page appears properly. If it takes a minute to load, don't worry. Sometimes the platform just needs a moment to catch up. It's time to edit your new cover page. Click on the Edit button at the top. This opens up the page for customization. Here, you can add different sections to build out exactly what you want your visitors to see first. To start shaping your cover page's look, select Add Section. Squarespace will show you a variety of section layouts. For a truly impactful introduction, scroll through and choose an Intro template. These are designed specifically to showcase your big message, logo, or key visuals. Picking an intro template gives you an instant structure, much like choosing the frame for a work of art. And just like that, you've turned a blank page into a dynamic cover page. Now, use this template to edit the text and images so they fit your brand, project, or style. Don't be afraid to spend a little time here. Swapping in your own content will make your cover page truly unique. If you're unsure about what to write or which image to use, start simple and know you can always tweak it later. So, that's all there is to it. You now know how to create a cover page on Squarespace 7.0, a simple way to make your website stand out. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions or tips of your own. And if you want more easy Squarespace guides, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.